Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout that I got done at the crop. This is layout 9 out of 11, so we're getting close to the end, and thankfully there's another crop at the end of August, so I'll be able to get some more layouts done. But this one here, this pattern paper here with the quotation marks, I absolutely love that pattern paper. And there was also the pattern paper with the glasses. And I don't think I documented getting new glasses here a couple, I guess it was a couple years ago. And actually, I might change the title because I don't mind calling myself Four Eyes. But we just found out that the baby's gonna need some glasses and within the next 3 months. So, I might change it to, Poor Little Peanut or something like that. All I gotta do is just pick those letters off and kind of put pictures of her new glasses and her wearing the glasses. So it's going to be so sad, peeps. I mean, she's going to be 1.5 and she absolutely needs to have glasses. Like there's no ifs, ands, or but. Like, and they even said sooner, sooner, better sooner than later. So I think by October she'll be wearing glasses. I think they want her to wait till she's at least a year and a half old, and then she's going to be wearing glasses. But so the poor little peanut. Every time I see her now, I just go, poor little peanut. And there was no sign, It's not as if she's missing stuff. It's not as if, her dexterity is amazing. But I guess at this age, they can make their eyes, like they can fix the focus. But by the time she's 2 or 3, then she won't be able to. And it could lead to some like nerve damage. They actually said that most kids, they only get diagnosed like once they go to school, and by then the damage has been done. So hopefully, we caught it in time. She's only like 15 months old, and it's because of the sty, right? We've been going, or she's been going to doctor after doctor after doctor because of that sty that just doesn't want to go away. And it ended up that, then they were able to catch this thing that she has with her eyes, that she's going to need glasses. And like I told my daughter, I said, as much as we hated that sty, I think it was a blessing. And she said, I was saying the same thing to like her husband, because then like who gets their 1 year old tested for vision, right? So, oh, it's been a hard 2 weeks. I've cried a lot. My daughter cried a lot. So that's part of the reason why I haven't done any lives. There's a few reasons, but that kind of set me over the top because, it's super hot. We're having heat wave after heat wave after heat wave. And in my room, it's super warm. And when I do lives, I can't put on my fan and I would be like passing out. And then this kind of happened, and I'm like, you know what? I need a few weeks to kind of just cry about it, I didn't know if I was going to be able to talk about it without crying. I actually filmed a voiceover. It was last week or the week before, and I had to redo it because I tried to, say what was going on, and I just started bawling. So I was like, okay, I'm not ready to talk about it yet. I mean, she's okay, and we got a little bit more information, and they don't think it's going to get any worse. It's really high prescription, but they don't think it's the type that will get any worse. But it's not, like, she won't be able to get eye surgery with it. Like, that's not going to fix it. She's going to have to wear glasses because she won't be able to wear contact lenses or anything. So it just breaks my heart that she's going to be 1.5 and she's going to be wearing glasses. And so we're trying right now to get her used to wearing glasses. So my daughter punched out like the lenses of sunglasses and putting on just the frames, you know what I mean? So that she can be used to having that on her face. And then we make a big deal like, yay, good girl, you know. And she loves being praised. So she's up to 20 minutes that she's having them on. So between all of us, we're gonna try to get her used to wearing eyeglasses. And then when she actually gets glasses, then, you know, it'll just be getting used to the prescription. And but if she's used to having it on their face, and I know they come with straps on the back and stuff, but we're trying to make it so that it's less traumatizing for her. So if we start now getting her used to it, hopefully by the time, you know, we have 3 months to get her ready to wear glasses. And you know what's funny is that I didn't even remember making this page. And then when I clicked on the video to start the recording, like to do the voiceover, I went, oh my goodness, this is about glasses. So all that to say, I'm hoping by the end of August, you know, we'll start again with doing a live every week. But until then, I plan on, you know, uploading between 4 and 5 videos a week. So at least there'll be something uploaded on my channel for sure. So if you could just keep Lexi in your hearts and in your thoughts, you know, send positive vibes to her. And if you're the praying kind, if you wouldn't mind saying a prayer for her that, you know, everything goes off without a hitch. And if there can be a miracle that, you know, she wears her glasses for a few years and all of a sudden they go, we can't explain it, but she doesn't need glasses anymore, that would be even more amazing. But this nevertheless was a fun layout to make because I do love those pattern papers. And I had a 4x6 card with glasses. I cut it in 4 pieces, used them as an element on my page, and that is going to complete this layout. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.